Today, in the 21st century, structures continue to grow rapidly since the revolution in concrete technology. Along with underground expressways and subway tunnels, skyscrapers and metropolitan high-tech cities are being developed to demonstrate great achievement in cities. Yet, even with our progress in science and technology, even with the accomplishment of advanced concrete structures, engineers are still struggling with the issues in waterproofing and leaking structures that result in the concrete deteriorating. Because of the groundwater leaks in basements, concrete gets saturated with calcium hydroxide, causing it to lose its strength and collapse, causing unnecessary safety hazards to people. Today, we need to admit that we have chronic issues resulting from failed existing waterproofing systems that cause water leaks. We need to determine the exact causes in order to apply new waterproofing systems that result in zero-defect structures, completely free from water ingress. Water leaks are an existing problem causing millions of dollars in costly repairs, not just to the concrete, but also to developers, engineers, and our cities as a whole. Because water leak into underground structures is not resolved, our precious underground water is depleted, and our soil is contaminated. Depletion of underground water will raise ground temperature, and the global warming from this may cause abnormal weather. Moreover, depletion of underground water causes sinkhole, which is a recently standing out issue to threaten people's safety. Radon gas soaring with underground water and mold from water leak threatens people's health. But due to limits in waterproofing materials, these issues are not being tackled properly. Most waterproofing systems in the world have application limitations, like the ideal temperature to apply the material, the moisture level, curing of the concrete, delamination, inadequate surface preparation, and other site limitations. However, it is very difficult for waterproofing materials to meet site requirements. Moreover, damage to conventional waterproofing materials, lack of proper surface preparation, and inadequate waterproofing design result in water leaks. Hence, waterproofing is surely not possible at the site with water leak already. These issues have now been resolved using TurboSeal. TurboSeal from Renew System has addressed the chronic water leak and waterproofing issues for the first time with proven results. TurboSeal waterproofing material by Renew System has minimal site prerequisites from construction sites. It has been proven to minimize water ingress in unfavorable conditions. It is adhesive even if the concrete surface is humid, underwater, or obstructed with foreign substances. Construction in all weather conditions is possible, even at temperatures around -10 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. Moreover, after construction, even with movement, vibration, and cracking in structures, TurboSeal flexibly responds to minimize damage or delamination of the waterproofing protection layer. TurboSeal is a one-component, eco-friendly material that does not require any curing time or torch burning during application. Therefore, it does not slow down the construction process, and it may shorten the construction time. The waterproofing material itself has a self-curing ability for easy maintenance even after 20 years, 30 years, or even 100 years. It is an innovative, leading-edge new material or a completely new waterproofing technology to maintain semi-permanent waterproofing ability. However, it has demonstrated a successful proven track record of 20 years, solving these common problems in the USA, Arabian Gulf, Asia, and Africa. Water-leaking structures have been very difficult to solve by experienced technicians, not just in Korea, but from many parts of the world. TurboSeal of Renew System has resolved many issues related to the successful execution of waterproofing projects. The construction of Incheon International Airport in South Korea had a serious water leak after Stage 1 construction using other waterproofing materials. In Stage 2 of the construction process, the contractor used turbo seal after thorough verification in advance to achieve a zero water leak structure for the entire sections of civil structures. Thereafter, Stage 3 construction in 2014 used turbo seal and other waterproofing materials from Renew System, recognizing the outstanding technology of Renew System. In addition, we have completely solved the water leak problems of famous civil projects in South Korea and the UAE, such as subways, 30-meter underground cable tunnel for Korea Telecom, National Folk Museum of Korea, KBS Broadcasting Station, underground roads and common duct of Sejong City, electricity tunnel for KEPCO, Sejong Center for the Performing Arts, Second Lotte World, tunnel for Seoul-Yongin Expressway, etc. For constructions outside of Korea, our technology was used in Big Dig underground expressways and subways in Boston, the U.S. And for numerous water leak issues over the world, such as subways in Singapore, Dubai, Qatar, Kazakhstan, Canada, Japan, Turkey, etc. Turbo Seal was the only waterproofing system used for the design and construction of the extension section of the subway BART in San Francisco, the U.S. The Turbo Sheet GTR has been applied for construction of the Coastal Expressway of Marina Bay in Singapore. Until now, over 10,000 products have been certified as new technologies by the South Korean Ministry of Construction and Transportation, the Ministry of Science and Technology, and the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Energy. We received the Changnyeongsil Award, also known as the Nobel Prize of Korea, the commendation from ministers, the Prime Minister, and the President of Korea. Our technology was selected as one of the top 10 new technologies of South Korea. Turbo Seal has also been listed on the international standards ISO CTR 16475 as an acknowledgement of its excellence. The complete waterproofing solution for concrete structures is a dream come true. Turbo Seal of Renew System is making that dream come true. Renew System will regenerate urban cultural spaces and save and preserve nature with the leading-edge recycling of new materials for concrete structures. To value the properties of the world as the eco-friendly company.